Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Divelbus from Dixon-Dively Orthopedics, and I'm very excited to tell you about the new and improved Kansas City Orthopedic Institute. In order to meet the growing needs of our community, KCOI is proud to announce the recent expansion of our hospital located in Leawood, Kansas. We've done our homework and asked you, what do you need and expect when you visit a hospital for orthopedic care? The results are amazing. The results are the new KCOI. From expanded waiting areas with workstations, charging stations, or just places to relax, we've focused on making KCOI right for you, our patients. 4 new operating rooms housing the latest technology, a state-of-the-art pain management procedure suite, and 17 new private patient rooms bring home closer to you and you closer to home. Kansas City Orthopedic Institute, bringing individualized care to you where you work, live, and play.